Good day everyone, I'm Renz Mark Imadera, and this is a tutorial of how you install Windows ME on your VirtualBox. So first, click New, then natin yung Windows ME. Then, punta ko lang sa right path ko. Next. Then finish. Then click settings, go to storage para ilagay natin yung ating ISO. So click the empty or IDE, choose a disk file, and hanapin natin yung ating Windows ME ISO. And click open, then okay, then press start. And choose the number 2 CD-ROM, and number 1, enter. And enter, continue, and enter, and no, boot ulit, and 1, and next. Yan, choose natin yung typical, next, and next, ay, lagyan natin yung Anon na name, next, and lagyan natin sa Philippines. Natin. Yan, next. Yan. Change natin to paging +8. Yan, next. Finish. Yan, for this time, choose na natin yung number 1, the hard disk. Boot from the hard disk. And enter. And yan, lagyan na natin yung ating name. Accept. And next. Ating product key. Next. Yan, lagyan natin yung Anon. Okay. And after that, yan, tapos na tayo mag-install ng ating Windows ME. So, that's how you install Windows ME on your VirtualBox. Thank you, and